good day. Today is the day after Christmas. I hope y'all had an awesome Christmas or whatever holiday you celebrate, or if you don't celebrate holidays, I just hope you had a good time. Yesterday was Christmas, spent time with the family, unwrapped gifts, got to see my son play with his new toys and stuff, so I had a good day. Cooked up some deer venison meat. You know, we just had a good time, man. It was really good. Day before that, we had a live stream Christmas Eve. If you didn't check that out, it's in the video links, or it's on my channel, so you can check it out. Okay, so today's video, you guys, I think it's pretty cool. I'm always tinkering around with my truck when it comes to the appearance of it in terms of auto detailing. You guys know auto detailing is like my little side gig. I've been doing it since I was, Lord, I've been washing cars since I was a kid, under 10 years old. So auto detailing is a thing I kind of really have a passion for. And anytime I think of or see or do something that is different, that can save you time and money, I'm always going to tell you guys about it. And that's exactly what today's video is about. We have a lot of stuff to go over in today's video. So before we even get started, go ahead and smash that thumbs up button, because everything I tell you in this video today, you are going to love and you are going to enjoy, okay? We got good weather. The Cummins is all cleaned up. I just finished washing her. I'm not fully done with her yet. And you know, today's video, I'm gonna show you guys, make sure you guys see me, there we go. Today's video, I'm gonna show you guys something that can save you so much time in detailing and washing your vehicle, because we all know when it comes to trucks, especially us with big wheels and stuff, we hate drying it. We hate drying the truck, we hate drying the wheels. You finish, let's say you go around the whole truck and you wipe it down, and next thing you know, you got water in like little cracks and crevices around the door handles, the windows, the tow mirrors, all that stuff, and then the water drips down, messes the paint up. Or you're trying to wax the truck, and next thing you know, as soon as you put the wax on it, a little bead of water just drips down. Today that ends, you guys, and I'm going to show you what I use, and it's so cheap and effective compared to other companies that are selling the same thing labeled differently for twice the price. Okay, so once again, make sure you smash that thumbs up button, because you're gonna like this stuff. Okay guys, so what we got here is a air duster. Okay, it's electric, you see the cable, it's an air duster. This one is called X Power. You can get these on Amazon, I want to say for 30 bucks if I'm not mistaken. I will have a link down below in the description, like always, of this product. Check it out. It's super effective and it's super convenient. So for instance, I got my wheels set up here now. I done washed this whole truck, it's done. I wet this wheel on purpose so I can show you guys what we're working with here. So we got a wet wheel, right? Now usually we don't like, you know, we dry the wheel off, but then water comes out of the little crevices, the cracks, wherever. Somehow, some way, water always shows up. That ends today, okay? And then over here on my running boards, I got water here too, okay? So we got that here. So real quick, what I'm gonna show you is how powerful this little sucker is, okay? Now this thing has more than one use. So if you think that you're only gonna use this to dry water off, you're mistaken, because when you get this, it comes in a little baggie, and it comes with a bunch of different nozzle attachments. One of them is a brush, one's a skinny nozzle, one's a big nozzle like this. It just depends on what you want to do. So check this out. Y'all ready? Just like that, I just finished drying off my running boards. That took probably 20 seconds, if that, maybe 15. Somebody with a timer time it and tell me down below in the comments how long it took me. Super effective, a super strong mist. Now what I'm gonna show you guys next is us blowing off this wheel, okay? And then I'm gonna show you how you know, it's super quick and effective, okay? Just like that, it's done. Super effective. I love this stuff. I love this blower. It's probably my #1 auto detailing accessory, hands down, without any questions asked. I swear this thing right here is where it's at, okay? And it's cheap because it's like 25-30 bucks on Amazon. Companies like Chemical Guys, all the big detailing companies and whatever, consumer level, they're selling these suckers for 70-80 bucks. And it's not this one. Theirs is called the Air Blaster or the Blaster something. Same thing, different name. I've had this for almost a year and it's worked perfectly, you guys. It has 2 settings on it, so you can have a low setting and a high setting. And I just dried my wheel off, sorry. I just dried my wheel off just that quick. Like, it's ridiculous, okay? So I got to do this back wheel still too, because I've been letting it sit for a while. Actually, it's probably 100%, it's damn near dried, but you guys get what I'm saying, right? So that's one thing I wanted to show y'all. Now, it's super quick, and you're like, Cam, well, that's pretty cool, but you know, was that it in the video? Well, of course not, that's not it. You guys know I'm not gonna let you down like that, right? So over here, I get asked a lot of questions about what I use on my wheels, what I use on my truck and stuff, okay? So as you guys know, my truck is ceramic coated, right? So when you have a ceramic coated truck, you have to use certain types of products to enhance and extend the longevity of that coating. And one of those things is going to be some sort of SiO2 infused shampoo along with some sort of detail spray, okay? Now, right off the bat, a company by the name of Jack's Wax, a lot of you probably heard of them, and if you haven't, check them out. Made in the USA, based out of Ohio. Very, very, very effective products they make. This right here is probably my favorite detail spray, hands down. You can use this on non-coated ceramic coated vehicles. You can use it on a coated vehicle. It's really effective. It provides up to 6 months of SiO2 protection, and I love this stuff right here, okay? Now, on top of that, got a little something extra for you guys. We got a promo code for them. So if you go ahead and go to Jack Wax website, you can get a 10% discount utilizing the code Concept Auto. I will have that code down below in the description, so you can use the code Concept Auto, and that's going to save you 10% on any of your Jack Wax orders. Really good stuff. No, this is not paid advertisement, nothing like that. I pay for all this stuff 100% myself, okay? Once again, I like to get you guys to save as much money as possible. So when I wash my truck, I use this in a bucket, and I also use this in a foam cannon. I got a little Amazon foam cannon back here. I will have a link for that foam cannon in the description below as well. People ask me a lot of times tire shine. So I mess with a lot of products because, you know, I detail a lot. I mess with tons of products, tons of stuff. One of my top 2 favorite tire shines is Adams Polish's Tire Shine, and this is how it comes out, okay? Very good, very slick. It does not sling, and that's what I love about this, because you guys know with the offset wheels and the mud tires, tire shine is your enemy, but not with this stuff. The key is when you put it on, do not drive the truck for at least 5 minutes. Just let the shine absorb into the tire, and man, it looks beautiful. It'll last probably for about a week, maybe a little over if it doesn't rain, but it works flawlessly. For my wheels, if you're asking if I polish my wheels like with a wax or something, no. All I do is I use that ceramic detailer from Jack's Wax. Once I dry the wheel, I'll hit the barrel with it, wipe it down, done. Takes 5 seconds and it looks great. Now, if you're looking in here, you see my interior wheel liner. It looks beautiful, right? It looks immaculate. What I use there is a product, and once again, I will have a link for this product down below. I use a product called Stoner Car Care Trim Shine. You can use this on all of your black plastic exterior, interior, whatever. You can use this on any vinyl and plastic stuff. It will make it look amazing. I mean, I spray it all on the plastic wheel well liners. I spray it on my sway bar link. I just spray it everywhere to make it look good. And I'm talking, if you want to get your truck ready for like a truck show or a truck meet or something, this is the stuff you need to keep in your little baggie along with your other products. It's going to make the truck look amazing. Now, the truck right now looks immaculate. I mean, I know it's a white truck and it's hard to see the reflection, but if you look hard enough, you can see the reflection of my Impala. I haven't even sprayed the ceramic detailer on the truck yet. I really haven't. This is what happens when your truck is ceramic coated. Washing it is super easy. It's super clean. It always looks like it just got detailed after you wash it. Just wash and dry. That's all I've done to this truck so far. I'm gonna still apply the ceramic detailer. So, I mean, I'm gonna let the proof speak for itself, you guys. But That little sucker right there, best investment you can make. I'm telling you guys, try it. If you don't, send it back to Amazon. They'll give you your money back and all that good stuff, you know what I'm saying? So after that, I'm gonna go ahead and get these wheels done, get them shined up, and then after that, I got some stuff I want to show y'all, and we're gonna talk about it. I think you guys are gonna really like this. It wouldn't be right not to have a startup. So if you guys notice, the axle dump is back. She purring like a kitty. All right, you guys, so we're in the truck right now. So I got a story with the axle dump. So what happened was, I don't even know why I'm telling this, but I don't care. So long story short, I had the side exit on for a while. One of my exhaust boots, the hanger boot broke. My exhaust, no shit, from besides the downpipe from the backside of the turbo, the entire exhaust fell out of my truck. I kid you not. You can't make it up. And luckily, I'm so grateful. It happened in a parking lot when it happened. So I was, going like 5-10 miles an hour, and like 5 miles an hour, and yeah, it dropped out, and I had the windows down too, and I heard, and I'm like, what the hell? So I stopped, got out. I looked back, and probably about 15 feet behind me is like half of my exhaust, and then the other half of it is like the axle dump portion sitting on the exhaust, and I'm just like, oh my God. So I took the side exit off just because I got tired of it. It was sagging, it was low. And I know I could have cut it to like make it fit right, but I didn't feel like doing that, honestly. I just wanted it to, be solidified and not have to worry about it, falling out. So I went back to the axle dump. So we're back on that axle dump lifestyle. So, if you like that part, the startup, cold start, and that was a cold start, even though it's like 65 degrees outside. If you like the cold start, give it a thumbs up. Now, another reason why we're in the truck is because we're going to be we're going to be shifting from. The entire time on this channel has been all engine exterior mods. We're gonna start shifting to interior mods on the 3rd gen, trying to get the interior to look a little nicer, a little bit more friendlier or cozier, if you say, to make, spruce up the inside a little bit, because we all know that 3rd gen interiors are well, let's be real, they're pretty bland. It's nothing but fucking gray plastic and cheap ass wood plastic accents all in here. It's not the nicest looking interior, which is why when the 4th gens came out, the interior got completely redesigned, because trust me, it was well needed. But first thing we're gonna be doing for interior mods, and if you stuck it out to this part of the video, you will know, is we got a radio, okay? So for Christmas, my wife went ahead and got me a brand new Kenwood double din radio. This is a Kenwood model number that right there. Biggest thing, she asked me what I wanted. I told her I wanted a radio, and this is what she got me. I actually told her I wanted this one specifically because it has Apple CarPlay and Android Audio. Now I got an Android, so I care about this part. But there's nothing wrong with the Pioneer. It's just old, it's very basic. And I know this sounds crazy because just a couple years ago, if you had a touchscreen, that was like the best thing in the world. But no, it's pretty basic. It has a built-in equalizer, DVD player, CD player, AM, FM, no HD radio, and Bluetooth. So you can take Bluetooth phone calls and you can listen to your music via Bluetooth. Other than that, that is it. Now, since then, this model came out, I believe, in 2013. This right here has Android Audio, and if I'm not mistaken, it can also mirror stream to your vehicle, to your phone, sorry. So whatever's on your phone, you can stream it to this, and then it'll be on your screen in there. I'm not gonna go too much in depth more other than that for this, just because I'm gonna have a separate video installing it here. I will be taking out this bezel and replacing it with a newer one, just because I bought this with the intention of using this little opening, and I have used it never, just because nothing can fit in there, and if it does, it'll slide out when I give the truck gas or acceleration. So I'm going to be taking the radio out with the bezel. If any of you are interested, DM me on Instagram, I'll sell it. I'm not going to be trying to sell it for stupid crazy, but I'm not going to sit here and sell it for 50 bucks because it is a working good radio. A lot of you guys have been asking me about doubled in questions about what kit do I have, how did I install it, was it hard? When I make the video, it's going to cover all of that. Now, the only thing I'm waiting on to install it is going to be, get the camera turned around. The only thing I'm waiting on to install is going to be my mounting kit, and I ordered a reverse camera for it, so that way I can back up and, you know, see what I'm actually backing up into. And it also is going to help too when it's time for me to hook up anything to my hitch. So we got that going. I'm trying to think what else. There was something else that I got more interior stuff coming. It's just little things that I got to get tightened up in here. You know, I got like pieces on my seat belt strap over there missing right there. It's like little covers, light covers and stuff like that, just to get it kind of nice in here. We already got the WeatherTech mat, so we're already off to a good start. My plan is to do a full sound system in this truck. It's going to be custom built. The only thing I will not do myself is the box, because I found a website that does boxes for our trucks, 3rd gen mega cabs, custom built for a pretty good price. So I'm going to buy a box, but I will wire the subs. I know I just put these speakers in, but I'm probably going to end up taking them out, putting some component speakers in here with some tweeters. This is the first, and if you guys watched the live stream, you knew I talked about all this, but this is the first vehicle where I have not had a dedicated sound system in the truck, and I kind of feel like I'm letting the audio guys down by doing that, because all my vehicles previously have always had sound systems. They've always beat, bump, it sounded good. It's time to get this truck on par with that, because I'm tired of driving, and you know, I listen to hip-hop, country, and all that stuff, but you know, let's say a hip-hop song comes on, I turn it up and I ain't got no bass, man. I mean, y'all know what it's like. So we're gonna start working on the interior, getting things going until we can get a CP3 in, so we can install the dual CP3s with the 472 turbo. So that is all we got going on today, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. It's just very informative stuff. Please comment down below, tell me what you think about the blower, the way I clean the tires, what I use in the paint. Remember, use the code CONCEPTAUTO over on jackswax.com, save you 10% on all your orders. Okay, we went over a lot of stuff. Axle dump is back. That's what it was. Next thing, I'm going to be ordering some paint by the quart for this truck. So paint code, I think it's like P7 something, or I forgot. I'm going to be ordering some paint because we're going to be starting to paint, color match some things on the outside. So comment down below, tell me what you think I'm going to be color matching and painting. I will have videos on that always. You guys know I won't let you down on that. So until next time, take it easy, be safe. Thank you for watching. Like the video, subscribe, and see y'all guys next time.